And kung makikita nyo dito guys sa PayPal account ko is na-receive ko na po yung payment from Yogov Philippines. And dito guys sa transaction details, payment received from Yogov Philippines. Since malaki yung na-receive ko rito, meron po siyang transaction fee. Well, not bad na rin kasi kumita pa rin naman ako dito by just taking a simple survey. Kung interesado kayo sa mga extra income online, legit paying application na pwedeng pagkakitaan or any application tricks, i-check nyo lang yung mga videos ko rito sa channel ko and don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and another legit extra income site na naman po yung isi-share ko sa inyo. And ito pong isi-share ko guys is isa po itong survey site which is itong Yogov Philippines. So dito guys kay Yogov Philippines, pwede po kayong kumita rito ng 1,000 pesos by doing surveys only. And nagbabayad po sila guys through PayPal Cash and pwede nyo rin yan siyang ma-redeem through mobile load. Alright guys, so before tayo mag-proceed, shoutout lang muna tayo. So, shoutout nga pala kay Ralph Vincent Comandante, shoutout din kay Anya, shoutout din kay JR Pogi, shoutout din kay Rodski Gora, shoutout din kay Territory Island, shoutout din kay Sun on the Moves, shoutout din kay Chris Place YT, shoutout din kay Mahal na Rice Ko Pandango, shoutout din kay Jobel Torrejos, shoutout din kay I Am Kido, shoutout din kay It's Jesh, shoutout din kay Elmar Nabs 25, shoutout din kay Brenda Tongo, and shoutout sa inyong lahat. Alright guys, si Yogov Philippines po is nagko-conduct po sila ng mga polls sa internet about politics, public affairs, products, brands, and other topics of general interest. And then guys, yung mga polls nila rito are taken by people from all over the region. So ang maganda dito guys kay Yogov Philippines, yung lahat ng mga surveys po nila rito is naka-base lang po sa Pilipinas or sa Asia Pacific. So yung typical na haba ng survey nila dito guys is napaka-ikli lang po and should only take you about 5 to 7 minutes to complete. Basically guys, much more convenient dito sa survey site na to compared sa other survey site. Kasi yung typical na survey site po is yung bawat survey nila is tumatagal po ng 20 to 30 minutes. So dito guys, take note lang po, free lang po itong site na to and pwede kayong mag-join dito at wala po kayong babayaran dito ng kahit ano. And wala rin po kayo rito i-install ng mga kahit anong application or any offer walls. And also guys, every time na may mga new survey sila is nag-send naman po yan sila ng email and yun nga, you will be able to access the survey straight from your email. So para makapag-register dito guys sa Yogov Philippines is i-click nyo lang po yung link dyan sa my description and you will be redirected here sa registration page nila. And dito guys, may two option po rito to sign up. You can sign up using your email or Facebook. So dito guys, provide nyo lang yung valid email nyo, then simple password. And dito guys, kung ano yung pipiliin nyo, so sa akin, ang pipiliin ko to sign up is email. Then, i-check nyo lang tong box na to. Then, click nyo lang yung sign up with email. So, after nyo pong makapag-register guys, is makaka-receive po kayo ng email containing a link just to authenticate you. So, dito guys sa email from Yogov, i-click nyo lang yung link para ma-activate nyo yung account nyo. So guys, once you activated and nakapag-login na kayo sa Yogov, dito po kayo mapupunta and ito po yung Yogov panel. So dito guys, makikita nyo yung mga available survey nyo dito sa part na to. And para ma-take nyo yung survey guys, i-click nyo lang yan, take the survey. So dito po, select nyo lang yung preferred language nyo. Kung makikita nyo, available yung English and Tagalog. So I preferred English, so I will choose English, then click nyo lang yung next. Then, click nyo lang ulit yung next. So, dito guys, answer nyo lang yung short survey. So as you can see guys, I have completed the survey, which is yung first survey is 100 points and yung second survey is 50 points. And by the way guys, you can download this YoGov app through App Store and Google Play. So dito guys, kung okay na kayo rito, i-click nyo lang yung check your points balance and you will be redirected to your YoGov panel. So ayan guys, pumasok na po dito yung 150 points ko galing dun sa survey na na-complete ko. And dito guys, ang minimum payout po dito is 5,000 points. And pwede nyo po yung ma-redeem through PayPal Cash and that is 950 pesos. And pwede nyo rin po yung i-redeem through mobile credit top-up. So pwede po yan sa guys sa load. And pwede nyo rin po yung i-redeem yung 5,000 points na yan through AirAsia Big Points. So that is 2,500. So dito guys, pwede rin kayong mag-refer ng friend nyo and for every person na mag-join po sa referral link nyo and makomplete nila yung 6 survey is makaka-receive po kayo dito ng 200 points. And if you want to know more about sa referral mechanics, i-click nyo lang tong more about how this work. So as you can see guys, napaka-understandable ng instruction po dito and basahin nyo na lang, Tagalog naman yan siya. Alright guys, so yun lang naman po ang pinaka-objective ng site na to, which is maghihintay ka lang na may dumating sa yung survey and sagutan mo lang. Alright guys, so kung may mga questions naman kayo, make habit guys na basahin nyo yung FAQ. So dyan nyo makikita yung mga frequently asked question or yung mga general questions. Alright guys, so payment proof lang muna tayo. Nung isang araw lang is naka-receive na po ako ng email from PayPal about sa payout na ni-request ko from YoGov Philippines. And kung makikita nyo dito guys sa PayPal account ko is na-receive ko na po yung payment from YoGov Philippines. And dito guys sa transaction details, payment received from YoGov Philippines, since malaki yung na-receive ko rito, meron po siyang transaction fee. Well, not bad na rin kasi kumita pa rin naman ako dito by just taking a simple survey. Alright guys, so by joining and giving your time and effort dito sa site to guys, I cannot assure you na kikita ka talaga ng malaki rito. So I suggest guys na i-check nyo rin yung other videos ko dito sa channel ko. It's all about earning money. Habang naghihintay kayo sa isa, pwede rin kayong mag-join sa iba pang application na ina-upload ko dito. So yun lang muna for today guys and ma-appreciate ko po kung ilalike nyo tong video na to and i-share nyo. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga next upload ko.